Hello guys, so today we are going to be talking about how you can find eBay coupon codes and deals really easily. So the easiest method that you can do this is to just go onto your browser and type in eBay coupon codes. And once you do that, you will see a bunch of different websites that offer eBay coupon codes. So you have pages like Telegraph, Forbes, Reuters, LA Times, and many different websites. So all you have to do is click on one of these. So for example, here I've clicked on LA Times, and here you can see listings for a lot of different coupons, but there's more than coupons. So as you can see here, there's coupons and there's offers. So there's deals, there is different things that you can use on eBay. It's not just coupon codes. So here you can browse, or you can go to a different website, check for maybe different coupons, and if you want to get the coupon code, all you have to go is view coupon, and here it's gonna open up the website, and here you will get the coupon code, and all you have to do is copy it, and then if the code is viable for your purchase, all you have to do is go to checkout, and once you go to checkout, here you have pay with, and you add coupons, and once you add the coupon, the discount will be added, and your purchase will cost you less, and you will save money. So yeah, I hope that this helps you, and I hope that you will have a better time purchasing on eBay from now on.